Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today, I'm going to take this old ball peen hammer and I'm going to make a hammer eye punch out of it. We're going to draw this forward to make a punch. Because this is what I have been using for a punch. It doesn't work that well. I kind of just welded this on here. Kind of ground it down a little bit. But as you can see, it just doesn't work well. So I saw this video of Old Hickory Forge, John over at Old Hickory Forge. I'll put the link down in the description of the video. What he did, so I'm pretty much going to copy his video, was a really good idea. So we're going to cut the handle off, heat it up, and make a punch out of it. Alright, I busted out the handsaw to cut the handle off. I don't feel like monkeying around with the power saw right now since I don't really have any good blades anyways. And this is just quicker, just a boom, look at that. A couple strokes, it's off. This will burn out in the forge, so let's go pop it in the forge. So as we're waiting for the metal to heat up, I got a couple new tools here. I got a new drill press. Well, it's not new, it's old. Got a newer old drill press. I got the 2x72 inch belt grinder all done. You'll see the video for that shortly. Got the nice big rest on here. There's a full video of this coming out very soon. And I picked up a 8-inch bench grinder. I got this bad boy for 20 bucks off Craigslist. I put on a buffer wheel here. So video to come on that later too. So as we wait for the heat up, I'm going to take a wire brush and kind of clean up the drill press. Also real quick, we're letting the metal heat up. I got this handle. This one is, what is this here? Is it hickory or ash? Hammer handle. It doesn't say, oh, hickory. At Menards, it's $3. So this is what we're gonna put on the new eye punch. Man, 4-pound hammer, that'll make a man out of you real quick. Holy guacamole. Man, it's gonna take forever. So John over at Old Hickory Forge messaged me back and he said he did his all by hand. So, no power press. So he can do it, I can do it. Back in the fire. Alright guys, welcome back to the forge. I'm going to continue working on my hammer eye punch here. You know, I just noticed something. I feel really kind of stupid about it. So, since, I don't know, maybe February, I've been recording my videos in Ultra HD. And I just noticed that some of them weren't in HD. And I didn't realize I never realized it. So, like my last 10 videos were recorded in Ultra HD, but they're only regular 420 because the way I saved them on the computer wasn't right. It's just a little red, just a little bit red, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Holy guacamole, that's hot as bizzles. Bizzity, bizzity, bizznols. I need to get Overall, I think that's pretty good. Clean it up on the grinder. I'm going to heat it up and give it the old quenchola. Alright, we are nice and cherry red. In we go. Yeah, a little fire. Yeah, she's a boiling good. I think she got pretty hard. Alright, I'll let this cool off a little bit. We're going to grind up the edges and then we'll do the temper. Well, there we go. I think it looks pretty good. Put the handle on her. Or we gotta temper it first, then put the handle on it. We'll call her done. Alright, there, now she's starting to straw pretty good. We're almost done here. Got some blue in the middle, the back is all straw. And the straw is creeping forward ever so gently here. There we go. It's starting to look real nice. Got a slight purple. Don't know if you can see that. That's good. Oh yeah. I think that's good. Okay. Alright, thanks for tuning into the channel and checking out my latest hammer punch eye drift dealy bob thing. This was out of a 32 ounce ball peen hammer, and this was a 16 ounce ball peen hammer. It looks pretty good. Can't wait to make a tomahawk or a hammer. I'm going to try to make one of those cool rounding hammers that everybody's making. So yeah, stick around. Got some more awesome videos coming your way. Almost looks like a tomahawk. Like, subscribe, share. See ya!